Hi everyone, good morning. I am audible.
Yes, Vandan.
Okay,
Yes,
thank you.
Yes,
So,
sir.
Good morning.
good morning. Uh, guys, we are starting today. So it was a long day to wait for everyone. Just started in 15th December. Announced this batch and not 15th December. Sorry, shit. Maybe October, right? So now we are starting today. So, but before starting, let me introduce myself. My name is Vandan. I have total 5+ year experience in automation itself. So I'll be taking your class. I'll be clearing your doubts, and also the bi-weekly doubt session that I have said, those will be also taken by sometimes by me and sometimes by Sumit. So I have two more people with me, and one is Sumit and Digambar. So Sumit, can you introduce yourself today?
Yeah, thank you, Vandan. So, hi everyone. Good morning. Am I audible?
Yeah, you are audible, Sumit.
Yeah. So, good morning, everyone. My name is Sumit, and I am having total experience of 5+ years in the software industry. So, currently, I am working in the insurance domain. But luckily, I also got the chance to work in the banking and the retail domains as well in this period of 5 years. So, I am also training the Selenium people for more than 2 years, and I am very excited to start this journey with you all. So, coming to the Selenium training part, so Vandan is teaching as well. But along with the Vandan, I will be also covering some of the topics in the Selenium, right? And also in the Java as well. So regarding the assignments, I will be providing the assignments to you all. And whatever the doubts you will have, you can post your doubts in the classroom after you will receive the assignment. And that's it. That's it from my side, right? So I hope.
Yeah, Digambar, can you introduce yourself?
sure, Sumit. Yeah, thank you very much. So, morning everyone. I'm Digambar as a super mentor of this automation testing training. We are working with collaboration with Unique Corporate Training Center as well as the college2industry.com. So, so firstly, I'll introduce myself as I'm serving with myself as a total 10 year of IT experience, and right now I'm working as a project manager in one of the well-known organization. As of date, I got the chance to work with the full-fledged automation testing scenarios, so much deeper and hands-on with the UI automation, API automation, database testing, some of the script related to the web service testing. So much deeper hands-on to worked with the TDD as well as the BDD framework. Now let's kick off the some highlights related to our training institute, which is located at the Pune. As of date, we had placed the 500 student on the top class MNCs. We are going to be accountable for training, support, batch, individual training, some of the tasks related to the work support, as well as the IT services kind of scenarios. Now, as of date, we want to help regarding like some of the people which have been not involved in the IT kind of perspective, or they hadn't been involved in the IT background. So we are going to be supporting for the switching the organization for the high purpose, or the some of the guys or some of the hooks which are going to be required for changing the career into the IT industry. So we are going to be accountable for those people. We are going to be providing the very much deeper support to the end to end kind of scenarios in the same things. So very happy to be part to work with the Vandan as well as the Sumit also. So I won't be take much time for the deeper journey, for this long journey to with you, like 3 month journey. So from the my side, very much all the best from to everyone people, and this I'll be define like a very wishes to the very wishes to all, like this would be like very awesome journey with you, and very happy coding with all, and very happy work from home from the my side. Thank you.
Thank you, Digambar and Sumit. So it's today we are starting. So today we will not covering any educational part that any syllabus will not going to cover. Today we'll decide how we'll proceed. I will tell you the way that we will follow to cover up our course. Because why this session is important, just because I want to say that, guys, it's my request to everybody that from day one you should sit with your systems. By the end of the today, I will share some softwares. You can also download from your site. Just like you can go to the Google and browse and download the Eclipse IDE and also Java. And from tomorrow we will be starting, and I want that everyone should be seated with their systems, right? So that if I am coding here, you can code your side, and instantly if you get any problem, so you can tell me. I will be replying that what's the problem. If it's still not fixed, then I will be asking you to share your screen, and you guys can share your screen and I will see your problem. So but if you will be joining from your mobile, so that's not, that will be not practical session for you, right? And it will be not benefited to you, I hope. Just because what happens that I am coding here, I also know that how to write that code particular, right? But if you are sitting with your mobile and seeing the okay, I will do it later, just because I can watch recording later. So it's a 1 hour class, right? And in 1 hour class, if you will see 1 hour class at the class time, and then you will watch the recording 1 hour later, and then you'll again code that, then total maybe 3 and 4 hours you will waste in a day. But if you will sit your system, that's 1 hour is enough, right? So this is my suggestion. It's not compulsory for everyone, but it's my suggestion that if you will sit your with these systems, then you can then we can make this session as practical. And if you face any problem, then we can fix that at the same time, right? So don't leave any pending task, because 90% of we people are working, right? So if we are working, we don't have that much time to waste on. So it's my request and suggestion for all my students to sit with their systems, not joining from the mobile. Still there is a, if you guys have some problems, some issues are there, you can do that. But my suggestion will be always that if you sit your system, if you are facing some problem, then we can fix at that time only, and you need not to wait for our answer in Google Classroom and Telegram channel. You don't need to do that. And yeah, now let me share my agenda for today. Okay, so guys who have already paid off, first two things for them. Let me share the course. Already I have shared this link so that you guys can browse your course. Okay, so what we are going to cover: core Java, and then Selenium WebDriver and introduction of 4.0. Some new locators techniques are introduced, so we will cover those also. Because people are changing the way to locate a particular web element, just because the technology is changing and Selenium is upgrading. So that's why we have included this also. Okay, now test ng we will be seeing. Some people might be asking that whether we'll cover JUnit or not. So no, we are not going to cover JUnit, because test ng is widely used in the industry, right? But if you want, then we can differentiate it, because 90% things are the same, annotation name is also same. So we are not going to cover that JUnit part. One is enough, second one you can explain by yourself, because that's not worry about. Okay, and Maven and Git, and after that we will cover this CI/CD Jenkins. Okay, so in this course, what are the features? 30 plus assignments. Okay, so during the course you will get all your assignments on your time. So I'll requesting to everybody to please complete your assignments on time. Suppose we are in topic 2, we are in topic where we are covering the if else or switch case statement. So don't wait, you will cover it later because huge assignments coming, and in one assignment there may be 5 to 7 10 questions. So in that case you will be facing problem. Okay, so if you will miss, if you will skip any assignment, that will be surely going to give you problem. Guys, please keep yourself on mute. Okay, so I will say that in our from our college days, people are saying that complete the assignments. It's necessary because if you have left coding past 2 years back, or if you are resuming your coding, sorry guys, if you are resuming the coding, then you need to complete all your assignments, right? If you are working and you have some automation experience, then also these assignments will help you to upgrade yourself, right? Because these assignments will be designed in a way that you will surely going to face problem, right? And I will request, instantly don't ask questions first. Realize that what the problem is and how you will provide a solution in a form of coding for this. Okay, so every assignments will be a learning, right? Suppose we are giving any assignment, so there will be a learning, right? And you will always learn a new thing in your assignment, because in my previous batch many of students had said that, sir, your assignments are very helpful. So we know that they are helpful because we have designed in a way that if you complete these 30 plus assignments, you need not to complete your project part at the end of the course, right? Means I will suggest to complete it, but that will be very easy for you if you will complete all your assignments, right? You will, there will be a lot of learning in assignments only. So 50% you will learn in class and 50% in with the completion of the assignment. Okay, so if you nobody is completing assignments, we will not be calling you that please complete your assignment again and again. It's up to you, right? Because everyone busy, as per your time complete that. But that's why we have 3 days class, so that one day I will giving sessions and second day will be for you to complete your assignments. Okay, after course there will be 5 day project support. So there will be 15-day project if you are completing by after 6 months. So guys, after 6 month project support will be not there, but technology support will be always there. Okay, so discount already you know, and recording of each session, because this is a morning session, maybe some people are coming from hospice later at night, so they can watch this recording if they miss the session. Okay, so how will we proceed for the course? First of all, installing the software's coding and configuration, the path. How will you configure the path? I will tell you today. Okay, and but I will say that if anybody has already installed Eclipse and that Java versions, so need not to uh, do any new things, right? So this is for them who have not installed Java in their systems. They need to install it today only, so that from Monday we can practice. Okay, so I hope that from Monday at least 80% uh, audience will be sitting with their system, so that we can practice. Okay, now then we'll cover the array, and we are going to see array in single and multi-dimensional array. These are most important topics, right? Although I have not written here if else switch case, because this syllabus will be going to be very lengthy, but we are going to cover that part as well. Okay, and then string and string buffer, string builder, modifier. Second week we'll going to be on oops concept, and third week there will be collection, right? Maybe this will be 4 to 5 weeks. It's written as per previous batch, but this course is upgraded in this batch. Okay, so this will be total 4 to 5 weeks Java training. And see, after this course, after this collection part, there will be a mini assignment, mini project in collection only. Okay, that will be not an assignment, that will be a mini project in collection. So I can guarantee you guys, here I can give you guarantee, learn collection from me, from Sumit, right? And go anywhere to learn connection in depth, that we will cover, no one will cover, because I have explored 90 plus YouTube channels, 50 plus Udemy recordings, but nobody went to that depth that I will be going. Okay, and you will see the difference after the collection topic that I will cover. Okay, that's, I'm not promoting myself here, I'm not defaming anyone, right? But I am saying that people take the money but doesn't focus in this topic, which needs lot of focus. Because if sorry guys, actually, uh, so a lot of focus needs this collection topic only, because 90% interview questions, if anybody in Java interviewer is asking collection questions, then 90%, if anybody is asking Java in interview, then 90% time expect collections, right? People will tell you what is list, what is array list, when to use array list, and when to use array, and how to select any particular topics to implement, right? So these things can only tell by person who have real time experience. Okay, although people may have the real time experience, people may have better knowledge than me, but they are not explaining just because they want to complete their batch as early as possible. But things are not same here, things are different here. Okay, our focus will be, after this course you guys will suggest your friends to opt this course, right? So that we need not to go here and there. So that's why we are here to help you, to guide you, and also to make you ready from day one to work on automation, right? So this is about the course and the topics that we will going to cover. We follow a mechanism, that why and when and how, right? Why we need particular topics. If I talk about the array list, why we use array list, we use array list because array has some limitations. And what are the limitation? Array has some memory issues, array has some, I'm not going at that much depth today, that's just explaining the course, right? That's why we use array list, because array cannot add multiple data types, array has some is memory issues, you cannot allocate memory on runtime. That's why you go for the array list, right? So but array list has also some problems. So if array list is better than array, then why not go for array list only? So these type of questions will distract you to answer, right? Because you don't have real time knowledge, then when to use array list and when to use array, this will be always a question in your mind. Okay, but if you have a real time assignments, real time practices, and real time trainings, then these questions are very easy. Okay, and the third thing is how. If you know why to use, when to use, then obviously you should know how to use, right? So that the three keywords will follow, and we will drive course in a way that you will take interest in learning. These sessions are not going to be boring. These three points will make this course interesting, right? So in my 1 hour session, this will be healthy session, right? And everybody will be friend of mine. I am not a trainer, you are not a trainee, right? We are friends, we are sharing our knowledge over here, right? So anybody feel free to ask any question to me, right? Even in the class, after the class also, right? So that's not a problem for me. Okay, but yeah, if you are asking question in Google Classroom, then there may be chance that I'll be not answering within 5 minutes, because I'm also working, Sumit is also working. So there might be a chance that we will not answer instantly, right? But we will answer, that's for sure, right? But question should be not like that which is already covered in class, right? For that you can watch recordings, right? Sir, I forgot the if else statement, if else syntax. So that's already covered in class, so you need to refer recording. Okay, so That's why I'm saying that sit with your systems. Okay. Now after that, we will start the Selenium part, and this is the syllabus for the Selenium. Okay. And we will develop a framework, right? Our major focus will be to develop a framework. Why? uh, that's because everybody is learning Selenium, everybody has Selenium knowledge. But the thing is that nowadays interviewer is very smart. He knows that you are learning from somewhere, you are learning from YouTube, you are learning from the online courses, right? But he knows that you don't have real time experience, you're just showing, because online courses are so smart nowadays that will make you a real that will make you in a way that you will feel that you have a real time experience, but the real time things are different. Now if you say some interviewer ask what type of framework that you have worked on, now you'll say I have worked in data driven framework. Okay, in data driven framework, what were can you explain the structure of that framework? Yes sir, I can explain. These are the folders and these are the things we were doing. Okay, how are you capturing the reports? Now you start. Okay, we don't know how we will capturing the reports. I have some points, extent reports, test engine reports, but how are you doing in real time? Because these things are just like, that's why I am saying that major focus will be framework, right? Although course will be also covered, nothing will be skipped, right? But the major focus will be framework, so that if you get any project in your industry from day one, you can work. Okay. So these are my previous students, and some people are not completing their projects on time, and some are completing on time. And many people have shared their github url. Sir, this is the github url, I have uploaded my project, can you see that? So nowadays we have a team that is looking at their project. Okay. So now it's a time to the people who have already involved. I'll be sharing the Google Classroom, how to join Google Classroom. Okay. So first of all, you should know, because this platform you will ask your queries, to go here. Okay. And here classroom.google.com. Okay, then let me come here. Okay, this is the link, let me share here. Okay, so this is the link. Once you click on this link, guys, join today only, because I have seen many times that people are saying that, sir, I have not joined the Google Classroom, can you tell me how to join? Don't waste your time to do any task, don't leave any task behind, complete it today. Because if after 2 days or 3 days or 1 month of session we will ask same thing, then see, response will be late for that. Because that's the right platform, this is the right day to join Google Classroom. Now if you will type this url, you will not see this. Okay, this I am admin, I only I can see this. Okay, then this is your plus icon. Okay, once you will click on this plus icon, you will have two options: join class and create class. I have already created a class for you. You need to click on join class, right? Once you click on join class, then it will ask you the class code. So the people who have already enrolled weekday batch, I am sharing the classroom code after this class to that group. Okay, and using that classroom code, you need to join this class by today only. Okay, all are here, all are will knowing that how to join. Then join today only. It's my suggestion, and it's my request, because in this platform you will ask your questions. If you will not join, you will not able to ask. And I'll say, I'll request, nobody will ask questions in WhatsApp group. okay, because that's just for your information purpose, the latest updates, but that's not for ask write a platform to ask questions, because uh, I will share the code after this class, okay. So just I'm saying that don't ask question, because everybody share images and mobile memory gets allocated also. And if you'll ask your questions in mobile, maybe I'm not able to zoom that image, I will not able to answer there, right? So three things I will need, or me and Sumit will need to answer. What will the three things? First of all, there will be proper screenshots, okay. If you are facing any issue, there should be a proper screenshot. If there will be not a screenshot, we guys are not god, we who will assume the error, right? Who will imagine the error. That's why we will need a screenshot, okay. And that should be visible also. The people just capture in very early, but they doesn't verify that is it visible or not. That's why I'm saying that capture this proper screenshot, proper information. If you will provide, you will get your answer instantly. Otherwise we will answer that screenshot is not visible, and it's wasting of your time and my time. If you really want your answer as soon as possible, then please put the screenshot over there, okay. And there will be bi-weekly doubt session also, so that will be there, okay. And that just I explained how will you join the Google Classroom, okay. Now the query, the you will ask your queries in Google Classroom, okay. And the Telegram channel, all the updates will be here. You need to download Telegram in your mobiles. It's not compulsory, all the updates will be in WhatsApp also. But suppose I am, after this course I am I want to teach you some new features which came in Selenium, okay. Then how will you get it, that update? That update will be only in Telegram channel, not in your WhatsApp group, because after this course 1 month I will leave this group, okay. So all the updates will be in Telegram channel, okay. So all my previous students are also present in that Telegram channel, they will also get update, okay. Also in this Telegram channel, you will in regular basis you will get job updates, okay. So that's why I'm saying that join this Telegram channel. The class timing, yeah, I want to say that many people does one thing, that class timing is 7:15 and they are joining at 7:45, 7:30, 7:35, right? See, after 7:20 entry will be prohibited. Why? It's because, see, people who joined on time 7:15, right? We started the class, and what happens? Uh, in between you comes and I need to. Sumit will be not always there to admit you enter you in the training. Suppose I am taking the training, so that day only I will be there. Today's first class, so all we are here. Sumit and Nigambar, all we are here. But after this class, I will be only here to assist you, right? So in that case, if you will be joining 7:25, Sumit will be not able to admit you, right? So that's why I have to go into the screen and I have to admit you, and that will be disturbing my flow of training, right? That if I'm in a way, in a situation that I'm also taking interest, and in between interruption comes, the people lose their interest. So why I will disturb those who are on time to them who are on not time? So that's why it will be my request, it will be my suggestion, hours after 7:20 entry will be prohibited. If you will keep messaging on WhatsApp, I'm not able to join, can someone let me in? So do that. I join at 7, right? And I open my laptop at 6:30 and I join at 7, right? So that in between 15 minutes anybody comes, I can admit that. So those 15 minutes timeline you should join, okay. 7 to 7:15 you can join. Still, if you are not able to join, sometimes you'll be loud, but making on the I'm making that it's not compulsory that after 7:30 you will able to join, right? So that's my suggestion, and please don't be, please be on time, because after 8:30 I am working, so I will start my office work at 9, right? So class will be not extended. So if it will be not extended and I have to complete on the given timeline, the 3 months, then I have to start on time. And if I have to start on time, you have to be on time, right? Because I will be always in time. Maybe sometimes I am not well, Sumit is taking class, so that's why you need to be on time. And I'm focusing a lot of this because I know that the students joins at 7:50 also, right? So in this batch this will be not allowed. Okay, so this is from my side for today. I will share by the end of today I will share the software. Now people can ask your queries. If please comment how many of you have already installed the softwares in your systems, Java and Eclipse. You can answer in chat box, or you can unmute yourself also. Okay, so please check that's already working or not, right? If everybody has installed, then that's not a problem. We will start from the day, right? But who should not installed, I will be sharing link for all. Okay, if everybody is installed, then I think that I don't need to share. Please comment who have not installed. I know that everybody installed, that's why commenting. Okay, okay, there are many peoples. Okay, so I will be sharing that link. So after installing Java, see, go here, install, download JDK, and from here you can download. I will say that don't download the latest version to everyone. Okay, that if you will download the latest version, then in the latest version there may be some defects. Let me share the exact URL. Okay, that's the one, Windows 60. Okay, so this is the for the Windows, right, 64-bit. So people who are using the Windows operating systems, then first you need to check how many bit system you have installed. If you have installed the 64-bit, then this is the right. Okay, you can download it from here. Once you will download, you need to install it, and once you install, you have to set up the path. And let me quickly show how will you set up the path. Already I have created a video for this, I will share that link also. Okay, so go to advanced system settings, right? And in advanced system settings you will see this environment variables. Okay, and environment variables, skip this part, come to below, and here you need to type path. Okay, and here you need to paste the URL where your Java is located. Okay, so I have in this path, let me show you. And you will also have in same path. If you have not changed the path at the time of the installation, then you will have in same. Okay, and here this is bin. Okay, so till here we have our path. We need to copy in program file Java JDK and bin, and you need to paste it here. Okay, and click on OK. But because I have already did that, so I need not to do it. After that, see, let me show you path. See, this is the Java path that I have already saved. Okay, I have also saved path for main, path for cmd, path for git, CMD, right? That's why I need not to do it, but in your case you have to do it. Okay, because you are doing it first time. If you are doing it first time, you need to do it. Okay, now don't worry about the maven part, that when I will come to maven topic, then I will talk about this. Okay, then class path is this. Now you need to write it like this, and then you have to go till library, right? Then not inside bin, you need to come inside library, right? And you need to copy this path in the class path. Okay, so this is how the way. And after doing this, what the next, after doing this, you need to type cmd and type java version. If oh, okay, so it should be on small letters. So if you have typed like this java version, and if you are getting answer like this, then it means that you have correctly installed java in your machine. The question arises, why we need to set up the path, why can we not start directly? Because suppose if you are working in D directory, and you are your java is installed in C directory, then how this will be communicating, right? Because you are using the java features, and all those features are installed in the C drive. That's why we need to tell our windows or the system that we have present java present in this url. So you need to communicate with this url, right? That's why we set up the path. Okay, now the other thing is that, let me first share the google classroom account. Okay, that code, and I'll be sharing in the private whatsapp group of you people. Okay, uh, wait for the moment. And tomorrow nobody will ask how to join google classroom. I am pasting in. You can also download google classroom app in your mobile. I am sharing the invitation link. You just need to click on that invitation link, right? And that is pasted in your google classroom account. Okay, this is your batch specific. Okay, so if you are in weekday batch, then only weekdays people will be here. Okay, I will share the jdk and clips as well in your google drive. You will get link in your mail, that you have get something in google drive, and download from there, because that will be easy to install. I have already seen that people have installed eclipse version something different, and jdk they are using the latest, and those are not working together. That's why I'll share the uh, group of the jdk and the eclipse ide. You install it, that will be very easy. Other, you there will be versions problem. That's why, because our focus is the coding, right? So we need to learn coding the software, what are the problem coming with the softwares, that's not a part. Okay, so I'll share that group by the end of the today. So just need to install, you have 2 days, you complete that and sit with your system by monday. Okay, anybody has any doubt over here and ask me, otherwise I will wind up the today's session. And Nawaz, you were asking something?
Hi, Mishra sir. I have installed JDK 14. Is that okay, or I install any stable version?
Have you installed the Eclipse and that is working with the JDK 14?
Yes, it's working.
If it's working, then it's fine.
Yeah, okay, sir.
Because in some system it may be a problem. So if it's working in your case, then that's okay.
Okay, sir.
And it will be Monday, Wednesday, and Friday session, as I already told you guys. So don't ask tomorrow that sir, what's the link. Link will be shared to you before your class, so that's my task, and don't leave it to me. Before class I'll be sharing that link multiple times. Okay.
Hi, Wanda. Good morning.
Hi.
So, which version we need to install the Eclipse? Is there any stable version, or we can install any of the version?
Any version you can install, Eclipse Luna, Eclipse Oxygen, you can install any version, but that should be working with your Java version, right?
Okay. Is there any combination both versions, Eclipse and Java? So
See,
we
I'm
use
not stuck in
same
the
versions.
I'm not stuck in the combination. I'm not saying that, but the combination I am using is working. But for PBS batch, it they install the Java 13 and the some version of JDK, and then it was not working. So that's why I'm suggesting, if you have already installed and it's working, then it's fine. No need to worry. But it's not working, then I'll sharing that you just need to install that.
Can you please share so that we'll install the
Yeah,
versions?
of course. After this class by UD, I will share that.
Yeah, sure, sure, Wanda.
Anybody has any other doubt? Okay. So from Monday, we'll be starting the coding part, and I will request you to sit with your systems. And also, I have shared the Google Classroom link, so join that. Otherwise, if you are asking your queries in WhatsApp group, nobody will answer there. You can ping
Okay,
that,
I
sir. I have pasted some question here in Google Classroom. Can you answer that? This is forward, but we get the notification once you post anything over there. Yeah,
hello.
yeah, no.
Hey, hi. I'm Anup here. Actually, I wanted to know from the Monday we are directly started the coding, or are you going to make some like basic oops concept and those clarifications? Like, actually, I'm also in the background of testing, but I'm not aware about the Java much. I learned in the college, so I don't know. And
See,
are you going to?
see, if you have, that's why I've said, if you have left the coding behind, no need to worry. We will not only directly start from the oops concept. We will start from the basic of Java, how to run a Java program, and this we will start from very basic, right? But from day one, this will be coding only. There will be no theoretical part. What is JDK? What is JVM? We are not going to cover that because this is not a Java specific course, right? But as a part of this syllabus, you need to learn coding. So coding will be covered, right? So Monday maybe we'll starting variable declaration in each these things. Then to next Wednesday, if else part, switch case, methods. What are the methods? What are the functions? What are the constructors? Then we'll go for that, right? But if you are hesitating on coding, you need to sit your system, and it's compulsory for you. I remember your name, Anup. So
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
okay.
Thanks for clarifying.
Thank you, thank you. Okay, so the version I will share, unication, and I will share, just need to install that. You know, need not to worry. Tester or developer, I don't think that there is something like Eclipse, that tester or developer versions. Okay, thank you for attending today's session. It was great to see you all in this class. I was expecting that 36 people are there and maybe 15 will be joining just because of morning session. But it was great to see you here. and make the session more interactive. uh, Only two three people if they'll speak, and then it's not a good, right? That's why if everybody will speak and everybody will share their thoughts, sir, can we do this, can we do that, so that will be great, right? So thank you for attending today's sessions. Have a nice day.
Thank you.